Hello, everybody. This is Maxine Taylor, America's first licensed astrologer, with my practical astrology show. And today, of course, we are talking about when the Sun and Venus and Mercury are in Taurus. And the beauty of knowing this, that the Sun enters Taurus on April 21st and stays there till May 21st, is a great gauge because both Venus and Mercury work closely with the Sun to bring about a team that is powerful, brings confidence, love, and a certain intellectual quality that can't be beat. So let's talk today about when Venus enters Taurus. Now, Venus rules Taurus, and when you have a planet in the sign it rules, it's really, really strong. Now, Venus is love, it's money, it's happiness. It is called the lesser benefic, which is an oxymoron to me because lesser benefic, less good, it's because Jupiter is the greater benefic. And so to just give it a comparison, they call Venus the lesser benefic. It's one of the good guys. And Venus rules beauty, it rules art, it rules music, and all of the qualities possessed by Taureans are amplified when Venus is in Taurus. In my first segment, I talked about how Taurus loves the texture of things. Their tactile sense is very strong. I have a Taurus friend, and the way she goes shopping is so simple. First, she looks for colors, the color she likes. And as she's doing that, simultaneously, she's touching all the shirts, all the blouses, all the scarves. It's the tactile sense that is so important to her. Well, it's amplified when Venus is in Taurus. Those of you who are born under the sign of Taurus, you know what I'm talking about. When you go shopping, you shop with your hands. You feel how it feels. With food, do you like crunchy? Do you like smooth? I'm talking not just about peanut butter. Some people don't like crunchy. Some people don't like smooth. Brownies. Some people don't like brownies with nuts in them. Taurus is very selective about the feel of things, about the touch, about the taste. And when Venus is in Taurus, you Taureans, you beautiful Taureans, are more loving. And Taurus is a loving sign because it is ruled by Venus. And so you're even more loving, more apt to appreciate beauty, more apt to find love if you are looking for love. With Venus in Taurus, you will not be looking in the wrong places because you're naturally led to the right loving place. There is an instinctive, magnetic lovingness. Is that a word? Lovingness about you. So, we have the Sun and Venus together working to create a loving situation, a happy situation. Now, I do have to caution you, Taurus. You have a sweet tooth, as you know. Venus rules sugar. Venus rules love. If you're not happy, you're going to want to eat sugar. And there is a tendency to want that sugar with every meal and every snack. Well, if you overdo, because Venus in Taurus can overdo, don't worry about it. If you overdo on Monday, you underdo on Tuesday. or at least when Venus gets out of Taurus. And once again, it may not be May 21st, it may be sooner, because Venus moves faster than the Sun. But so far, we've talked about the Sun and Venus and how wonderful the two are, because they bring self-love. And it's not the ardent, fiery, go get 'em kind of passion and love that Aries feels when the Sun and Venus are in their sign. It's a slow, gentle, deep, loyal feeling. Taurus is a very loyal sign. And so if you meet somebody, Taurus, when Venus is in Taurus, that person is blessed because you have the loyalty factor going strong for you. You have it innately anyway because you are so loving and so loyal. And you don't like change. So once you've committed to somebody, that's it, pretty much. Now, I'm not saying that you won't have issues, but there is a loyalty there. Another thing that's so beautiful about Taurus is they appreciate what money can buy. They love things. I have to tell you though, you can acquire more when Venus is in Taurus, and you can be a pack rat, and you want to watch out for that, because Taurus always looks good, always presents well, but they always have a chest of drawers or a closet where they shove things so they're out of sight. And we know that about Taurus. We understand that. So just make sure that all of your newest acquisitions are out where people can see them and enjoy them with you. Because when Venus is in Taurus, and you might say, well, that's because it's my birthday. It's more than that. It's because Venus is blessing you at that time with love. And once again, with every single sign, from Aries to Pisces, when Venus and the Sun are in your sign, you're able to love yourself. And when you love you, everybody else loves you. And this is a wonderful time then to perhaps think in terms of asking for a raise, think in terms of refinancing, buying a car, this type of thing, because your charm, your magnetism is at its peak. Your loving nature, oh yes, and your ability to acquire money and what money can buy.